Welcome to the wonderful world of bugs and insects. Meet Dottie, a curious little caterpillar who loves to explore. Dottie inches along a leaf, wondering about the big world around her. She has a soft green body with tiny legs called prolegs. Can you count them? Dottie munches on leaves, growing bigger every day. Look, Dottie sees a busy ant carrying a crumb. Ants have 6 legs and strong jaws. Ants work together in big families called colonies. They're very strong. Buzz, buzz, a friendly bee flies by. Bees have fuzzy bodies and clear wings. Bees are important pollinators. They help flowers grow and make sweet honey. Dottie watches a ladybug land nearby. Ladybugs have round bodies with colorful spots. Did you know ladybugs can be different colors? Some are red, some are orange, and some are even pink. A grasshopper hops past Dottie. Grasshoppers have long back legs for jumping high. Grasshoppers can leap up to 20 times their own body length. That's amazing. Dottie sees a beautiful butterfly flutter by, its wings painted with vibrant colors. Dottie wonders what it would be like to fly like a butterfly. As the day goes on, Dottie feels sleepy and starts to build a cozy chrysalis around herself. The chrysalis hangs from a twig, swaying gently in the breeze. Days pass, and something magical happens inside the chrysalis. Dottie's body is changing, growing wings and transforming. Look, Dottie emerges as a beautiful butterfly with colorful wings. Her wings are soft and delicate, with patterns of orange, black, and white. Dottie spreads her new wings and takes flight, seeing the world in a whole new way. She soars high above the flowers and trees, feeling the wind beneath her wings. Dottie flutters among her insect friends, happy to be part of this amazing bug world. Remember, every bug is special and important in nature's big family.